Okay, hi everyone. Today we're going to just talk and do my makeup. I want to try this colorful eyeliner, and I found a hack on Facebook where they take an eyeshadow with setting spray on an eyeliner pen and then do an eyeliner with it, and it looked amazing. So I really want to try that out. And I have my other lens today. I have the kit lens I received with the Sony A6400. So it looks a bit different. I don't know which one I prefer. I'm going to compare them later when I'm on the computer. But I thought I could change it up a bit and try it out. I'm a bit moody today because I tried to get a hold of my, well, he's not my boss anymore, but he was. So a boss from an old job. And I have an income insurance I pay for every month. So between jobs, they pay me back, and in order to do that they need a paper from my last work from my boss. It's a paper where it says that I've been a employee and all of that. So in order to get money I need that paper, and it's been a month and I tried to get a hold of him, but he turned off his phone. I'm so annoyed. I don't get it. I need that paper, and it's not like he can refuse because it's in the law that he has to give that to me or to them. So it's just weird. I don't know what's going on. It's stressing me out, you know, and it's just annoying. Every single job I've had, I've just had issues. They're just making everything difficult, and yeah, I'm the one who gets to suffer and get issues with it because I need money, I need an income, and they just, yeah, it's just really, really annoying. Now I don't know what to do. Can't get a hold of him, and I needed that paper like weeks ago, so it's just annoying. Like, what's the problem? Just give it to me. I can contact the union and involve them, but I mean, I don't have the energy for that, and it's just, it feels so unnecessary. Just give me the paper. Nothing is easy, and you always have to fight for everything and, you know, make enemies, and I hate that. But it's not like people is giving you a choice. They don't give a you know. I don't have an eyeshadow primer right now. So I use a concealer. It's not the best way to do it, but it will do. And I would do a very light shadow. I take the Vice Art Warm Edit palette and this shade. And now we take this shade. And I try to have a very light hand. Okay, should we go with a yellow eyeliner or a pink? Or lilac? Let's take the Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty and this shade. Okay, that was difficult. We take a thinner brush. That looks weird, right? Okay, let's try the yellow one instead. Okay, this looks like a disaster. That's unfortunate. I really thought it would work. I don't know. I don't know. Let's do a normal eyeliner. Black one. Okay, I'm done. This didn't turn out as I wanted it to at all. I was hoping for colorful eyeliner, and it didn't. Well, it's black. Come on. And even if I took a black eyeliner, I had to redo it a couple of times. I haven't done eyeliner in a very, very long time, maybe half a year. So I need to practice on that and do it more often because I really like eyeliner, so I don't know why I stopped. I need to practice more. Whatever. So this is a short video and it's not really a makeup look. I just wanted to try out the colorful eyeliner and it didn't go well at all. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell and turn the notifications on so you don't miss my future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!